Hello, Falcon Seminar, specifically Humanities Fall 2024, in our online section. So I'm really looking forward to getting to know you all this semester. As I mentioned in kind of the introductory stuff on Monday, our normal class schedule is Wednesday to Wednesday. So the class should be updated by Wednesday at noon, and then any assignments are due the following Wednesday by midnight. So we'll kind of get into the rhythm of that starting today, starting this week. I hope the first couple of days of your new college experience have gone well. Oftentimes the first week or so is pretty overwhelming, kind of learning where to go, what to do, what different classes look like. Either literally, if you're taking online classes, kind of what the Canvas page looks like and how to navigate it. Or if you're on campus and knowing where to park and knowing where your classrooms are. So I'm here to promise that in a couple of weeks, it's going to feel so much more natural, like you've been doing it forever. Some things get harder as the semester gets underway in terms of homework and assignments, but that perhaps sense of nervousness and unease that you're feeling right now, that gets much better. So welcome. Um, Hopefully you've kind of poked around a little bit in the first couple of days, done some introductions. This is a 1 credit hour kind of college 101 kind of class. I don't want you to feel like Falcon Seminar is busy work or like just something else that you have to check off a box. I'm hoping that throughout the semester, you get some meaning out of our discussions and assignments, especially as we focus in on the potential within studying the humanities. So I think a number of you are interested in the arts and humanities pathway, and a lot of what we'll do this semester, some of it is just kind of college basics. Like you'll see the assignment, one of the assignments for this week is about reading your syllabus. I know that seems kind of basic and a little elementary, but it's helpful and something to kind of pay attention to as you hopefully are already. So you're getting a bunch of different syllabi from your different classes so far, and a lot of them will often look very similar because we use a syllabus template. And some of the information on these syllabi is the same from class to class about the non-discrimination statement, about campus resources like the Learning Center and Testing Center and online tutoring. Some of those chunks of information are the same from class to class, but you'll find that there are other pieces of the syllabus that might be very different from class to class. Late work policy, plagiarism policy, AI policy. We'll talk more about that this semester. Some of those things might be very different. And it's important that you know that that syllabus is a contract between you and the instructor, that if you both show up and do what's expected, you will get the course outcomes out of the course. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, we'll kind of delve in more this semester to your chosen disciplines, kind of some of the possibilities within that discipline, whether you might want to major in English or theater or media studies or journalism or film. We'll talk a lot about all of the potential that you have in front of you. So I'm going to share my screen real quick just to look at our Canvas page. Here we go. All right, and so this is the teacher view. It'll look slightly different from the student perspective, but the first thing I want to ask you to do as as you look at Canvas, at least for our page, is make sure you're looking at it in module view. So that's kind of over here on the left-hand side. Click on modules to look at it organized in modules. If you click on assignments or quizzes or discussions, it'll just be a hot mess. So be sure to look at this course in module format. I think that's pretty standard, but you might find that, yeah, a lot of your online classes look like that, and some might be a little bit different, but this one you want to look at like a module. And each week, we'll have a module with kind of a theme. And so this, what you're watching right now, is the introductory video. You'll also see a little assignment link appear here as well in terms of your just kind of a basic written assignment for the week. The discussion for the week that syllabus assignment that I referred to. And then these are 2 readings for next week. So I'll ask you to read these closely. And then next week, we'll have a discussion forum that involves discussing these articles. So that's kind of the game plan for this week. If you kind of pace yourself, I encourage you, as soon as the module opens on Wednesday, look it over, take stock of the week ahead. These articles aren't very long, but they're readings. They're going to require you to kind of sit quietly and read at some point. So this will be unpleasant if you wait until Tuesday at midnight to do everything, but it is absolutely not going to be very much work if you spread it out throughout the week or kind of plan ahead. So this is kind of what that will look like. And I don't want to make this too long. I just wanted to introduce myself, which I guess I didn't formally do at the beginning of this, but I'm Lee Kolb. You can call me Lee or Ms. Kolb. I really, really hope to meet you in person sometime this semester. The earlier, the better. And if you're not near the Union campus or on the Union campus, we can Zoom, we can chat on the phone. But I really want to connect with you beyond just seeing your posts on Canvas. And also please know that I'm here for you if you need anything, if you have questions, not only about this class, but other classes, transfer opportunities, send me an email. I am here for you. So, and all of your instructors are as well. So get comfortable asking for help, asking questions. We are all here to make sure you're successful. So good luck as you finish up week 1, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon.